You don't need a factory to start manufacturing. These small machines can build full-time income right from home. Most people think starting a business means renting an office, hiring staff, and taking big risks. But today, a single smart machine can replace an entire production line, letting one person build a real business from their home or garage. In this video, we'll explore 15 small but powerful machines that can turn simple materials into high-demand products. These are real tools that small manufacturers and entrepreneurs are already using to generate steady income. We'll look at what each machine does, what it costs, and what kind of business potential it carries, so you can see exactly where the opportunity fits you best. Machine number 1, electronic cutting machine. This compact cutter turns digital designs into real products. Vinyl decals, custom shirts, leather patches, labels, and more. It works by following your digital file with an electronic blade to cut paper, vinyl, fabric, or thin leather precisely and repeatedly. For business, you can use it to launch an Etsy shop, local branded merchandise, or made-to-order gifts for events and small retailers. Small batches, high custom value. Entry price varies by model. Expect about $120 to $150 for compact models, approximately $249 for mid-tier Explore models, and approximately $399 for the Maker flagship. Essential extras, mats, blades, starter vinyl typically add $20 to $80. Why it pays? Low upfront cost, minimal space, fast product variety. Margins come from design, branding, and personalization, not volume. Best for creators who sell high-value customization with low inventory risk. Machine number 2, heat press machine. A heat press takes your designs and transfers them onto fabrics, mugs, bags, or other substrates, giving you professional quality products from your home studio. It works by applying controlled heat and pressure via a platen, so your digital design or vinyl layer bonds permanently to the material, yielding durable, retail-ready results. For business, you can launch a custom apparel line, branded merchandise, or on-demand products for local stores, online marketplaces, or corporate gifting. With minimal space and simple workflow, it's very accessible. Cost range: entry models start around $150 to $300, mid-range machines typically cost $300 to $1,000, and professional-grade units can go beyond $1,000 to $2,000 plus, depending on quantity and design features. The takeaway? One machine can unlock full production quality without factory-scale investment. Machine number 3, 3D printer. A 3D printer transforms your digital design into a physical product, layer by layer, from home or small workshop. It works by extruding plastic filament or resin according to a CAD file, building parts or prototypes with high precision and minimal manual cutting or assembly. As a business tool, you can create customized home decor, functional gadgets, prototypes for inventors, or small batch products that cater to design-savvy markets in the US, Europe, Canada, and Australia. Cost range: entry desktop machines start around $250 to $500 for basic models. A serious home business setup typically runs $1,000 to $5,000 plus, depending on build volume, material types, and finishing equipment. Business takeaway: low fixed overhead plus rapid prototyping equals creative manufacturing at home with real value. Machine number 4, laser cutting or engraving machine. A laser cutter uses a focused beam of light to cut, mark, or engrave materials like wood, acrylic, leather, or metal with extreme precision. It's the go-to machine for makers producing signage, jewelry, personalized gifts, and branded decor pieces, the kind of products that sell strongly on Etsy, at craft fairs, and through boutique retailers. Small desktop units are compact and computer-controlled, making them suitable even for home setups. Cost overview: compact entry-level laser engravers start around $300 to $700. Reliable mid-range CO2 models typically cost $1,000 to $3,000, and industrial or fiber laser systems can reach $5,000 to $10,000 plus, depending on size and material capability. Bottom line: precision, creativity, and premium pricing, all from one beam. Machine number 5, CNC machine. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control, a system that automates cutting, carving, and shaping of materials like wood, plastic, or metal using programmed precision. With a small desktop or benchtop CNC router, you can create furniture parts, signage, mechanical components, or custom prototypes from your home workshop. For business owners, CNC enables consistent, repeatable quality. Every design you program can be reproduced perfectly. Ideal for small batch manufacturing or custom order. Cost breakdown: hobby-grade desktop CNC routers start around $500 to $1,000, while professional small format models range from $2,000 to $6,000 plus, depending on spindle power, size, and features. Takeaway: once you master the setup, you're running a precision manufacturing unit right from your garage. Machine number 6, injection molding machine. An injection molding machine lets you produce plastic components with factory-level precision, even in a small workspace. It works by melting plastic pellets and injecting them in the custom molds. Ideal for manufacturing repeatable parts like clips, tools, phone stands, or packaging components. For small business owners, this machine offers serious scalability. Once you make the mold, each additional unit costs only cents to produce. Typical setup cost: compact manual or desktop units start around $800 to $1,500. Semi-automatic and benchtop electric machines run $2,000 to $5,000, and advanced versions for continuous production can exceed $8,000 to $10,000 depending on volume and automation level. High-volume manufacturing no longer requires a big factory, just precision, molds, and a smart operator. Machine number 7, paper soap making machine. Paper soap is gaining traction across travel, hygiene, and eco-friendly product markets. Compact, convenient, and ideal for modern consumers. This machine automates the process of coating and cutting thin sheets of soap that dissolve instantly in water. You can produce hundreds of sheets per batch with consistent quality and minimal labor. For business-wise, demand is rising among hotels, airlines, gift brands, and online eco-stores, especially in the US and Europe. It's an emerging niche with strong global potential. Cost overview: small semi-automatic models start around $1,000 to $1,800, mid-capacity automatic versions average $2,000 to $3,500, and fully automatic systems can reach $5,000 and up depending on output and automation level. Clean concept, clean profit. Made from home. Machine number 8, alcohol swab making machine. This compact production line makes sterile alcohol wipes a staple in healthcare, fitness, and household cleaning. It automatically cuts, folds, moistens, and seals each pad, giving you neatly packaged disinfectant swabs ready for retail or institutional supply. For business owners, it's a recession-resistant market. Clinics, beauty salons, and gyms all need steady resupply, making demand consistent year-round. Cost insight: small semi-automatic units start around $3,000 to $5,000. Mid-capacity automatic versions typically run $6,000 to $10,000 plus, and high-speed industrial systems can exceed $15,000 to $20,000 depending on production rate and packaging options. Essential hygiene, constant demand. A practical small-scale manufacturing opportunity. Machine number 9, candle making equipment. Candle making has evolved from a hobby to a profitable niche business. With the right equipment, you can scale production quickly and maintain consistent quality. Modern candle making setups include wax melters, fragrance blenders, pouring machines, and labeling systems, all designed for efficiency and professional finish. It's a versatile business. You can target the home decor, wellness, or gift markets with custom scents and branding. Cost insight: a small manual setup starts around $500 to $1,000, suitable for home studios. Semi-automatic filling and melting systems typically range $2,000 to $4,000, while full-scale automated candle production lines can cost $7,000 to $15,000 plus, depending on volume and automation level. High margins, endless creativity. Ideal for home-based entrepreneurs aiming for premium branding. Machine number 10, Eyelet press machine. The Eyelet press machine is a compact, easy-to-operate tool that adds metal or plastic eyelets to a wide range of products: shoes, bags, clothing, stationery, and even packaging tags. This simple process instantly enhances product strength and appearance, making it a staple in fashion and craft industries. For small businesses, it's ideal. Low maintenance, minimal space, and fast return on investment. You can serve local manufacturers, leather artisans, or custom packaging shop. Cost insight: manual tabletop models start around $100 to $300. Pneumatic or foot-operated machines range $500 to $1,200, while fully automatic eyelet presses with feeding systems can cost $2,000 to $5,000 plus depending on capacity and material compatibility. Simple, durable, and profitable. Perfect for compact workshops and creative entrepreneurs. Machine number 11, packaging machine. Every product needs professional professional packaging, and that's where a packaging machine becomes a game changer. From food items to cosmetics to hardware and household goods, these machines automate filling, sealing, and labeling, saving time while improving presentation and shelf life. They come in multiple types: vertical form fill seal machines, pouch fillers, and vacuum sealers, each designed to match specific business needs. Cost insight: small tabletop sealers and semi-automatic packaging units start around $800 to $1,500. Mid-range automatic form fill seal machines typically cost $3,000 to $6,000, while high-capacity industrial units can reach $10,000 to $20,000 plus depending on speed and packaging type. Efficient, scalable, and essential. Packaging machines are at the core of every modern home-based production business. Machine number 13, barbed wire making machine. The barbed wire making machine is a rugged, industrial-grade setup that produces barbed wire used in agriculture, fencing, and security applications. It twists and wraps wire automatically, creating strong, consistent fencing material at high speed, a vital commodity for farms, construction sites, and defense installation. Demand for fencing materials remains stable, especially in rural and industrial regions, making this a reliable small manufacturing business. Cost insight: compact semi-automatic machines start around $3,000 to $5,000. Mid-range fully automatic units typically cost $6,000 to $10,000, while high-output or heavy-gauge systems can reach $15,000 to $25,000 plus depending on wire diameter and motor power. Essential infrastructure product: durable, profitable, and in consistent demand worldwide. Machine number 14, tea bag packaging machine. With the global tea market growing steadily, a tea bag packaging machine opens doors to a refined, high-demand niche. This machine automates measuring, filling, sealing, and tagging of tea bag, producing perfectly portioned, retail-ready packets that elevate your brand presentation. You can start your own specialty tea line or offer private label packaging services to small tea growers and wellness brands. Cost insight: entry-level semi-automatic machines start around $2,000 to $4,000. Mid-range automatic models with tag and string functions cost about $5,000 to $8,000, while advanced multi-lane or pyramid tea bag machines can reach $10,000 to $20,000 plus depending on capacity and bag style. Elegant product, steady market, perfect for entrepreneurs blending craft and automation. Machine number 15, peanut butter making machine. This machine transforms roasted peanuts into creamy or crunchy peanut butter with consistent texture and quality. It uses high-speed grinding and homogenizing to achieve the smooth finish consumers expect, and can also process almonds, cashews, or sesame for product variety. Demand for natural, protein-rich spreads continues to rise globally, especially among health-conscious consumers, making it an ideal small food processing venture. Cost insight: compact stainless steel grinders for small batches start around $800 to $1,200. Mid-range continuous production units cost about $2,000 to $4,000, while industrial-scale processors with cooling and filling attachments can reach $6,000 to $10,000 plus depending on output and automation. High demand, simple process, a tasty business with strong export and retail potential. Every one of these machines represents more than a piece of equipment. It's a business system in miniature. The key isn't just buying the machine, but understanding how to turn it into a process that creates value. Start small, test demand, refine your workflow, and scale only when the numbers make sense. In today's world, small-scale manufacturing and smart automation are giving individuals the kind of leverage that used to belong only to big companies. And the best time to begin is before everyone else catches on. If you found this valuable, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, because we'll keep exploring practical, high-return business ideas backed by real-world economics and modern tools. Think like a builder, act like an owner, and build something that lasts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself.